Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today is very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about 28 type of punishment which are mentioned in Garuda Puran. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Garuda Puran. This is Garuda Puran. This is a most authentic source, and this is a best translation version of Garuda Puran in English. And I would have to say we all have to read Garuda Puran and remove all kind of misconception about Garuda Puran, that we all have to read Garuda Puran at the time of the death of the beloved person. But it's not true. We all have to read Garuda Puran throughout our life, because by which we can learn administrative skill, we can also mold our character and also enrich the moral and values in our character. So we all have to read Garuda Puran throughout our life, and we all have to implement each and every verse of Garuda Puran in our daily life. So let's get into the one of the 28 type of punishment. The punishment name is Suchi Mukham. Suchi Mukham. Suchi means needle. The torture by needle. उनको एकदम पतली पतली सुइयां होती है, उनको चुभाई जाती है. तो सूची मुखम, द टॉर्चर बाय नीडल्स. द प्राउड एंड मिजरी पीपल. अहंकारी व्यक्ति, एरोगेंट व्यक्ति और मिजरी कंजूस व्यक्ति, वो रेफ्यूज टू स्पेंड मनी इवन फॉर द बेसिक नेसेसिटी ऑफ लाइफ. जो दिन की जीवन की जरूरत के लिए भी अपना पैसा मतलब वो नहीं करते, उनको स्पेंड नहीं करते मनी. जो मतलब लाइक अ बेटर फूड और ऑल्सो बाइंग अ फूड फॉर देयर रिलेटिव्स और फ्रेंड विल बी प्लेस्ड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर हेल. जो अपने रिलेटिव के लिए, अपने घर वालों के अच्छा खाना नहीं प्रोवाइड करते, कंजूसी करते हैं, जो अहंकारी होते हैं, इससे व्यक्ति को इस प्रकार की पनिशमेंट दी जाती है. एंड those who don't repay the money they have borrowed with also be cast into hell. जिन व्यक्ति ने उधार लिया है और अपनी उधारी वो पे बैक नहीं करते, उनको इस प्रकार की पनिशमेंट दी जाती है. लिसन इट वेरी केयरफुली. जो व्यक्ति उधारी लेते हैं, उसको पे बैक नहीं करते, उनको उस प्रकार की पनिशमेंट दी जाती है. those who don't repay the money they have borrowed, those who don't repay the money they have borrowed will also be cast in this particular hell. Here the bodies will be constantly be pricked and also pierced by needle. उनको उनके सुइयां चुभाई जाती है, उनको टॉर्चर किया जाता है. तो moral of this particular punishment is we must have to return the money to from whom we have borrowed, and we all have to spend the money. We don't have to be miser for our basic necessity of life. We all are like a food for ourselves as well as our relatives. We all have to spend the money. This is a moral of the particular punishment. And I also want to say about Garuda Puran. Garuda Puran is a form of the instruction to the Garuda by Lord Vishnu, and this deal with the astronomy. Garuda Puran is a deal with the astronomy, medicine, grammar, and with the structure of the quality of the diamond, the structure of the quality of diamond. And this Purana dear to all Vaishnavites, and also later the half of the Puran deals with the life after the death. And we all must have to read this entire Garuda Puran, because we can learn many things. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. If you ever took a money from other people and if you don't return, then get ready for this kind of punishment. Suchi Mukham. Get ready for this kind of punishment. Suchi Mukham. So I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.